Hey everybody, good morning, Rob. I think we got a fun video this morning. You know, I've been messing around with my little waffle maker, and I've made a ton of things in this waffle maker, but I've never made waffles. So you know what, let's try some waffles today. So we've got a half of a cup of flour all-purpose, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal to give it a nice flavor, a third of a cup, or excuse me, teaspoon of baking powder, a third of a cup of milk, 1 egg, with 1 tablespoon of butter, and I've soaked overnight some blueberries and cranberries with a little bit of chia seeds and some other goodies in there. We'll drain this and add to some of the batter and see what happens. So let's pop this into the, you know what, let's add the milk to the liquid. This has the butter and the egg mixed, and now we just added the milk. I like adding the cornmeal because it just gives a different flavor to the batter, to the whatever you're making, the pancakes or some fish cakes or something like that. I don't know what these chia seeds are going to do. I never added chia seeds to any baked goods before, but that's what I usually have during the day. I'll make a little cup of that overnight. Next day I'll have some, and a little something to drink. But I thought that would be something cool to put in the batter. I think we got more blueberries in here. That's what I wanted to get, was the blueberries, not so much the chia seeds. There we go. This will be interesting. I was thinking about adding some chopped walnuts, but I said, you know what, let's just one step at a time. We'll see what happens with this before we add walnuts. Well, you know I had a big spoon somewhere. Okay, here we go. Can you see the waffle maker? Now you can. Now this usually cooks for, that's kind of thin. That's all right. We'll see what happens. Cooks for like 3 minutes. This is my second waffle maker. The first waffle maker I got was a Dash, and it was used, and I was making it into a panini press and then it stopped working. I think it overheated it. So we'll pause for station identification. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let's see what we got going. Oh, now can you lift it? Yes, you can. Wow. That looks pretty decent. Well, it is a waffle maker. That's funny. That's my first waffle maker I've made with my waffle maker since I've had it for a few weeks. That's kind of funny. Well, guys, I think that's going to be a winner. Let's make some more here. So, guys, give that recipe a try and see what you think. Thanks, guys. See you out there.